Mobile marketing. The next topic is mobile marketing. And as we know, mobile is, as we say, smartphone, whether it is with Android or iOS, is very powerful with applications installed on it, right? And mobile marketing, we use the term mobile device. Mobile marketing, the term mobile marketing is used for marketing over mobile devices. It may be smartphone, tablets, or any other mobile device. Mobile marketing is a multi-channel digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience on their smartphone, tablets, or other mobile devices via websites, email, SMS, MMS, social media, and other applications. So we are targeting customers using on their mobile phones, on their smartphones or tablets, on handheld mobile devices, using different applications installed on the mobile or websites or email, SMS, social media, and other applications. These different types of applications, social media and other applications, are used for targeting mobile device customers. With this strategy, target consumers access location and time sensitive customized content that promotes certain product, services, or ideas. This mobile marketing, one difference is it is time sensitive as well as location specific. Time and location specific. As we all know, so most of us are busy with our mobile devices, with smartphones, most of the time connected with the internet, surfing through different applications, sometimes with social media, sometimes with Google, with SMS, with videos, YouTube, and with different other websites. So marketers are trying to reach to us, marketers are reaching to us on our mobile phone, smartphone, by these different mediums of Gmail, Facebook application, Instagram, YouTube, email, websites, SMS, and other variety of the applications installed on our smartphone. So this is basically the mobile marketing. Reaching to segment of the customer, reaching to target customer on their mobile devices or tablets with the help of different applications. The applications may be social media application, it may be SMS, it may be MMS, or it may be any other application, it may be email, and it may be Gmail, right? So this is the overview of mobile application, and it is time and location sensitive also, right? Time and location sensitive. Why is mobile marketing important? If you think for a minute, definitely it is very important, because most of the time we are connected with the internet on our mobile, with the mobile devices only. So we are connected with internet with our mobile devices, whether it is a smartphone or a tablet. So it is very important for the marketer to reach to us using these devices, to use these devices and different applications to reach to target customers. And users spend 89% of their time on mobile applications, making mobile devices dominate communication. Most of the communication is dominated by mobile devices, whether it is a email communication, it is a telephonic communication, it is a video communication, any type of communication that is dominated by mobile devices. The overall view and amount of content on mobile devices are simplified due to their smaller size. Content and views are simplified because of smaller sizes. And companies, every company, every website optimizes their own content, whether it is a video content or a blog or anything or an image. They are optimizing for mobile devices because most of the traffic on the websites are from mobile devices, from smartphones or tablets. As mobile devices are smaller and lighter than computers, user can easily carry them everywhere and make purchases at any time they want. The purchases most of the time are through mobile devices, not using the laptops. Mostly e-shopping, the customers are doing using mobile devices, using smartphones, right? And anytime decision is possible because smartphones are always with customers. They are light, easy to carry, easy to handle, and always with customers, right? Mobile hastens the time to purchase by 20%. Compared to a year ago, 50% of smartphone users expect to buy something immediately while using their devices. This is increasing year by year. The data is 2-3 years old, and this is increasing year by year as the most of the internet users are surfing using mobile devices, surfing using smartphones. 91% of smartphone users plan purchases or buy individual items after seeing relevant advertisement. Planning to buy something is only after seeing advertisements, or we can say only after seeing products or services on online platforms, right? 2 out of 3 of customers who use smartphones are likely to purchase from businesses that have applications or mobile websites with content customized to their location. Content customized to their location. And application, mobile applications or mobile websites. Mobile applications or mobile websites. Websites optimized for mobile devices. 2 of 3 customers purchase, right? 40% of online transactions occur on mobile devices. 40% of online transactions, because initially we have net banking only, and we used to do that net banking using our laptops and desktops, and now we have mobile banking also. Every banker is providing a mobile application. Using that you can transfer the funds, right? And you can purchase anything online. The mobile banking is there, mobile transactions. So the data is not the latest. The 40% of online transactions occur on mobile devices. Now at present in 2020, I think this will be around 75% of mobile transactions. Sorry, 70% or more than 70% of online transactions are happening using mobile devices. This will be the current status, right? This is the answer. Why is mobile marketing important? Mobile marketing is important because most of the time users, prospective customers or buyer personas are busy with their mobile devices connected with internet, right? So because of these reasons, and these reasons we discussed are the main reasons for mobile marketing. Marketers and advertisers are customizing their campaigns, online campaigns for mobile devices. optimizing their online campaigns for these small screens, smartphone screens, because most of the time users are engaged or connected with internet using these small screens, using these smartphones. So this is the basic reason why mobile marketing is important and how it is different from in normal internet marketing, how we optimize our campaign for mobile devices, for a small screen devices, and how many channels are available and which we have to focus, because most of the emails are opened on mobile devices before opening on laptops, right? And these are the reasons why my mobile marketing is important. And types of mobile marketing means what are the method, what are the types are available for mobile marketing. We can market, we can advertise on these mobile devices, right? The first thing is mobile app marketing using the app, through the app, in-game advertisements, advertisement during a game, at the time of launching a game, at the time of closing a game, during the game, advertisements are there. Quick response barcodes, we all know the marketing through barcodes. The barcodes can be scanned using a mobile devices, and after the scanning we can reach the landing page or a particular page of that website. Mobile banner ads, banner advertising, as the banner advertising for desktops and laptops. Similarly, mobile banner ads, definitely mobile banners will be quite smaller than desktop and laptop banners, and these banners will be customized for mobile devices only, and different types of banners are there. The next one is proximity or Bluetooth marketing. As I said, time and location specific is the mobile marketing. The location specific you can make it we can make it using the location specific content and all. Voice marketing and short message services, SMS marketing is also there, prevailing for many years on the mobile devices, SMS marketing, right? So these are the few types of mobile marketing. Mobile marketing techniques, we will discuss these techniques in detail, how these individual techniques are and how we use these techniques in mobile marketing, right? Mobile marketing techniques. There is a variety of mobile marketing techniques to try for a business. There is a variety of mobile marketing technique to try for a business. Factors like your budget, specific industry and customer segment determine the success of the strategy, right? Multiple mobile marketing techniques are there, and the how we have to define our strategy for a particular segment and for a particular industry, it depends upon the factors like our budget, how much budget we have, the industry we are going to work for, having a campaign for, and customer segment, which customer segment we are targeting. These things determine the success of the strategy. Success of strategy. Some mobile marketing options are as follows. We will discuss some of the mobile marketing options and how we can use these options. We'll be also discussing how we'll be using these options. Mobile marketing techniques, mobile application marketing. We all know in our smartphone we have application installed on it, and these applications display advertisements, banner advertisements, and the forms for generating leads, landing pages and all. And these mobile apps allow businesses to include ads in specific mobile application designs. Facebook is an excellent example of ads in an app. Like Facebook, it is a social media platform, and advertisers advertise on Facebook, right? As we scroll through our timeline, so we see different multiple types of advertisements from different companies, from the different advertisers, from different industry segments. And other applications also, non social media applications, they have also banner advertisements and video advertisements and other types of advertisements are there, right? Not we talk about only the Facebook application, but other applications have also advertisements of different companies, of different organizations. In-game advertisements, as we know, this approach refers to all advertisements on mobile devices that pop up when certain games are opened or in progress. When game taking time to open, some advertisements appear. These ads can appear as full image ads, banner pop-ups, or video ads that show up during loading screens. During loading screens, as we know, these are the pop-up ads, and we see on gaming applications as well as other applications also. This is one way of mobile marketing, one technique of mobile marketing. We can opt for gaming applications. The game we play on mobile, they also display different advertisements. Quick response barcode, QR code. These barcodes are scanned using camera of a phone, and then the customers are redirected to the linked site from where they can see more information regarding a particular brand. And this is called QR codes marketing or quick response code marketing. Mobile banner ads, we all know mobile banner advertisements on different mobile apps. These banners are pretty much the same as the ones on the desktop, only that they are adequately smaller to fit on the screens of mobile devices. These banners are definitely for small screens, for mobile screens, and they are optimized for mobile screens. They are for mobile screens, and not for desktop or laptop screens. This is one way of mobile marketing, mobile banner advertising, right? The next is proximity or Bluetooth marketing. With this approach, consumers get location specific advertisements enabled from the Bluetooth or on their devices. Location specific. You are sitting somewhere on a particular shopping mall, so you get advertisements if you open your Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi. So we get advertisements specific to shops on these shopping mall. Voice marketing, this is when businesses use computer produced and automated calls to promote their goods or services, right? It is up to the customer to decide whether to hang up or listen to the phone call. This is voice marketing, and this is one way of mobile marketing, because this voice we also listens on our mobile device. The marketers are trying to reach us using different techniques and methods. They are using different techniques and methods. Voice marketing is one way. Similarly, SMS marketing. This method of mobile marketing is by far the most common, and most common method, and we are seeing it from many years. Marketers use this medium to reach out to customers with offers and other relevant information via their mobile gadgets. The SMS marketing is with now enhanced with link they are sending with a link to a website, in our SMS. In our we receive the SMS. Initially we were receiving only the text message. Now we receives a link also with that text message. If user clicks on that link, it reaches to is he or she reaches to a particular website or a particular application, right? This is the advancement. These are the different ways of mobile marketing. These are the different ways of mobile marketing, right? These are the multiple ways of mobile marketing. So this is the introductory session about mobile marketing, how marketers are reaching to us on our mobile devices using different techniques, whether it is SMS or a voice or Bluetooth with location specific local data, or social media platforms or other third party applications they are using for advertising, for the banner ads or for video advertising and all. Because marketers and advertisers needs users to view their advertisements. Initially we have conventional methods to show our advertisements or our branding to users, that is newspaper or billboards. Latest come the television. We as an audience engage with the television most of the time. The advertisers are there with their advertisements. Now we are mostly engaged with mobile devices like our smartphone. Now marketers and advertisers are reaching to us on our mobile phone or our smartphone by different techniques. The techniques may be SMS marketing, voice marketing, social media marketing, emails, and other app-based marketing. The thing is, where the users are, the marketer and advertiser are making a way to reach them and showcase their product and services. So we have to study what are these techniques, how we can use optimum as according to our industry, according to our segment, according to our audience, according to our targeted audience. We will discuss in next class, right? Thank you.